for it? Ready? You're gonna need that. Go ahead, Brent. Okay.
Okay, I'll go down there. Moving. Going the wrong way. It's going towards the truck. It's okay. It's okay. Just means we gotta cut that one up.
Okay. It is what it is.
Just means we gotta cut that one up. Right? I guess.
Oh, your camera.
Oh shit. It'll be a good video.
You alright? Is it out of the road? No, it's in the road.
Yeah, okay. We gotta cut this one up a little bit. Cool. Yeah, my tripod got wasted, but the camera's okay.
I'll start cutting limbs.
The camera's good. Alright, good job, guys.
Alright.
Thanks. Oh, that's awesome. That was a big tree. Oh man, it almost hit your car. That was close.